I'm talking about Blackberry Lime Noel by Cocoapink. The notes in it are blackberry and lime blended with Vanilla Bean Noel and a splash of Spiritueuse Double Vanilla. This smells nice, but I think it's a bit like sort of Bath and Body Works-ish for me, which does not in any way mean that it smells bad, but just that it's very, very sweet and a little bit like headachy for me to smell for too long at a time. But I do think there are enjoyable aspects as well, and I like how well rounded it is with the blackberry and lime not being too bitter or astringent, but still being very much present. Because with those notes, there are things where it's like I like food that's flavored like that. I like smelling the real fruit in the wild or in the wild at Trader Joe's or whatever. But in fragrance, they can often just come across as very sharp. Not a problem here. It's also tangy at times to me in like a vanilla yogurt type of way almost, with this cloud of sort of marshmallowy sweetness. I would say leans feminine, and this one actually has pretty good projection and longevity, a lot better than a lot of sort of like indie scents at this price range do typically. So yeah, I'll link in the description where you can get a bottle or sample.